In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save any text as audio file. That is how you can convert all text into an audio. I'm going to show you ways in which you can do this. You can do it by installing a very free software in which I'm going to show you. Without much ado, let's get started. Thank you for returning subscriber, and if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe to this channel so as not to miss a lot of videos that will be uploaded. So without much ado, let's get started. What is the software that I am talking about? The software is called Balabolka. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to download the software, and this software is free, and then you can easily install. It doesn't have a lot of ad, and then without much ado, it doesn't have a lot of space. So here is the software Balabolka. Balabolka. And then this is the interface of the software. And then on this software, you have like your file, you have your edit, you have a text, you have your speech, you have your voice, you have your option, you have your view, you have choose, and so on and so forth. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to cut off some text from the Microsoft Word. What I've typed here is one of my blog, and then I'm gonna put it to this place for you to see that what I'm doing is absolutely true. So I'm going to copy this text from this place, and then I click on Ctrl C, and then come down to Balabolka, and then I hit on paste. And once I hit on paste, then you will be able to paste and play it. So for example, let me just hit on play.
Characteristics of a tender heart. Today's articles focuses on the attributes of a tender-hearted Christian.
So let me pause it. As you have seen, this Balabolka, you can however install some real human plugins. If you actually need this tutorial, I could do a more video on it. So I install a plugin of Daniel in this place, Scans of Daniel. You can easily install it, and if I play it,
one who constantly follows the teachings and lifestyle of Jesus Christ. After a careful observation of the character, conduct,
the voice and the sound is very thick. So actually Balabolka actually came with, I think, two voice. We have Microsoft Azure desktop, and we have Microsoft Azure desktop for United States and United Kingdom. And this Daniel, I actually installed it. Like I said before, the description is at the description below, the link rather. Remember to hit on the subscribe button and you like this video. So let's continue. Now once I'm satisfied with, let's say you have typed what you need to type, or you've pasted it, then how do you now convert it to MP3? So what you just have to do is you press file, and once you click on file, you click on save as, and you can see you now come to save as type. Okay, please, sorry, that is a mistake. Let's go back to it. File, and then you see export, convert to audio file. Let me take it back. You see save audio file, and the shortcut is Alt S. So I click on save audio file, and so you click on file and you click on save audio file. And if you click on save audio file, you can see that I will be able to save here. So depending on the location that you want to save, so I save it as characteristics of tender-hearted heart, and also you can save. You can change the different formats. You see AMR, Opers, MPEG audio, MPEG file, and then Windows Media MP3. So I will want it to be in MP3 format, and then I'll click on save. And remember, you must know the location in which the something it is. So I'll click on save, and it has been saved. The text file here, you see saving audio file, converting to MP3, and if I come to this place, then it has been saved.
Characteristics of a tender heart. Today's articles focuses on the attributes of a tender-hearted Christian.